Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're going to make a delicious recipe with Swiss chard. Let's get started, everyone. As you can see, I'm using 2 bunches of Swiss chard. I've washed them thoroughly, cleaned them, and washed them again. Now, we're going to blanch the Swiss chard very briefly. I highly recommend you try it this way. I've noticed it turns out much better when I blanch it, and I'll share this with you. I'm dipping the Swiss chard into the boiling water. Just 2-3 minutes in the water, then I'll take them out and add the next batch, blanching them all like this. Adding the rest of the Swiss chard right after these. Now, I'm going to finely chop my Swiss chard. I'm placing a suitable pan on the stove and adding about 3-4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Next, I'm adding 1 chopped onion. I'll sauté the onion for 1-2 minutes. While the onions are nicely sautéing, I'm adding 1 chopped red bell pepper. I'm adding the red bell pepper. I'll cook it for another minute or 2 and stir. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Adding the tomato paste nicely. Let's sauté everything together. I'm sautéing until the oil separates. Now I'm adding the filling. After stirring it a bit, I have about half a cup of bulgur. Let's add the bulgur. Give it a quick stir. I'll add a little water and let it cook for about 10 minutes until the bulgur softens. I'm adding about 1/3 of a cup of water. Cook it for 10 minutes and let it simmer until tender. Now I'm adding my Swiss chard. On top of that, I'll sauté it. I really recommend you try this recipe. It's truly delicious. You can also add salt to taste. I'm adding about a teaspoon of salt. I'll stir it again and then let it cook. I'm adding about 1/3 of a cup of water on top. I'm letting it simmer on low heat. Let's check on our dish. I opened the lid beforehand so the steam wouldn't fog up my camera. It smells amazing. Look at this, it's fantastic. Yes, the bulgur is tender. I'm transferring my dish, which has been resting since I took it off the heat. To my serving plate. I want to drizzle it with garlic yogurt. You can serve it as is too. You can also enjoy it like this. It tastes even better this way. Then, I'll drizzle it with red pepper flakes that I've heated up in oil. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy to everyone who tries it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave your likes and comments.